Good everyone, welcome to this short demo. It's a way of sending emails to many people at a time with a particular template and when you have your list of clients. So EventBridge triggers the Lambda function which pulls the list from S3 and also the list of clients from S3 and the email templates from S3, and uses SES, which is simple email service, to send the list to many people at a time. So for the walkthrough I did, this is the example lesson. So it's like, for this example, it sends a email to people based on a movie review. So it does the movie review, you'd have constructed it yourself. Then there's a placeholder for the name, so it picks up the name from the list and sends the whole thing to the to all of them. So this is another user. So this one is Archie, but it's still from the same source, and it sends it to that person also. So let's just go through a quick review of the whole setup. So here we have the S3 bucket, which was as the contact file. So this is the list of contacts and the email templates. So this is what the email template looks like. So it picks up, as you can see from here, it replaces this first name with the name of the user and all of this. So it also formats it. Then that's the email template, and the contacts has the list of users and their email addresses. So from there, the Lambda function, which is this, it's a simple one. It needs access to S3 and SES, so I've configured the right permissions to use these two services. The bucket name, as you can see, is upload bucket 1521, same name here. So it reads the CSV file and decodes it, then extract the email template also, and then for every contact in the list of contacts, it uses the personalized email, replaces the first name with the first name in the CSV file, and then sends the email from the source to every destination. So okay, you can see from here, this is SES. I've configured it already, and it uses that email address as the source to everyone. You can also create identities, and the other ways to set SES up. Right now, this is a sandbox environment, so it's not for production, so it's just for a simple demonstration. So then, yes, I've shown you the Lambda, the S3 and the SES. Then EventBridge, so this is the email schedule. Then you can also configure it in different ways. I use the one-time schedule, but to show you it's working, I would create a new schedule. So it's still going to be a one-time schedule. Today is 2025, so today is 28. So this is 28, and this is, right now we're at 13. Okay, let me say 43, so we don't wait too long. Then next, okay, I'll just skip to review and save schedule. So in about a minute's time, it should do all of that. In about a minute's time, so just see how that goes. So right now the target is this send mail function, which is this function, and then the execution rule is here. With this execution rule, it has access to actually run the Lambda function. So to show you the configurations, I shall increase it to 5 seconds, although the original 3 seconds will be enough. You can see the permissions here, and permissions is S3 and SES. Also CloudWatch logs, we can go through CloudWatch logs to see everything. So let me come back here, and here you have it. So this is exactly 1:43 p.m. You can see the whole thing. So right now the name is Timmy because I left Timmy there. And if we look at the other email address, let me go back. So this is Archie. Archie also got the email from me. So all the users will be able to get the email. And for you to see what this contacts.cv file looks like, I think I'll just open it for you right now. I don't think I can open it directly. I think I'll have to download it first. Yeah. So this is it. So you have your first name, then the email addresses. So as you can see, Archie and Timmy all got those emails, and David will also get the email, but David is actually the sender. So I just use this other two as the demonstration. So that's it for this short one. It's a short one just showing you the basic things I used for this kind of setup. And for to develop it further, there is also the idea of creating a front end. The front end will actually allow users to actually send in their um, email address, and maybe just a simple one where they type in their names and their email addresses, and then it would be stored in a DynamoDB, to be stored in a DynamoDB table, and then Lambda can actually pull it out from the DynamoDB table, pull the name out, and pull the email address. And then when EventBridge triggers the Lambda function to be able to send in all the email, to send in the email to every recipient on that DynamoDB table, including the ones that are just registering through the front end. So that's a simple one. Thank you for watching, and I also try to work on other ideas like this, integrate them, do a setup and a walkthrough, and display them for you to see. Thank you for watching.